Welcome to Research 101. I'm your teacher, Miss Ram, or Mrs. Buds. I'm teaching research subjects for senior high school, particularly Research in Daily Life 1 and 2. In this very short video, we will try to answer the question, what is quantitative research? We will look into its basic definition and general characteristics. Let's start with its basic definition. According to Melegrito and Mendoza 2016, quantitative research inquires people's views in a structured manner so that hard evidences and statistics that may be used for decision making can be generated. The researcher is centered on collecting numerical data, and he or she makes use of the data to generalize conditions from across a group of population. I highlighted some important terms for you to easily recall this basic definition. First is people's views. Next is structured manner. Third is hard evidences and statistics. Fourth is numerical data. And last is generalized conditions. These terms that I highlighted are the characteristics of quantitative research. Let's look at them one by one. Let's start with inquiring people's views. Quantitative research is looking into the participants' opinions, preferences, and perceptions, in contrast to qualitative research, which deals more of a person's experiences rather than their points of view. We will discuss this further in a separate video. Next is structured manner. When we say structured manner, it means that there is a certain process, framework, and tools that we follow in the methodology. In quantitative research, there is little to no deviation in the research process, methods, framework, and tools. This means that what was stated in the research framework or the conceptual paradigm will only be the focus of the research. The tools are also structured and somehow limiting in a sense that the researcher cannot deviate from what is on the tool or cannot make follow-up questions based on their respondents' answers because they will just follow what is stated in the tool. We will discuss more of this when we talk about the research methodology. Next is that it uses hard evidences and statistics. This is the reason why natural sciences uses quantitative research over qualitative research. This is because quantitative research utilizes scientific process, scientific methods, and uses scientific tools such as statistics and other mathematical treatments. This implies that there is a standard scientific process that is observed from the data gathering, data treatment, and even up to the presentation of the findings. Next is collects numerical data. From the word itself, quantitative, which deals about quantities and is expressed in numbers. So all the data gathered are translated and presented in numerical form. We will discuss in another video how to translate concepts into numbers or transform it into numerical form so that we can apply statistical and other mathematical treatments. Last is generalized conditions among population. One thing that you need to remember when discussing about quantitative research is that there is strength in numbers. So you utilize numbers, you utilize a large population, a large group of samples, and then you get a result so that you can generalize your findings specifically to that population that you have studied. Moreover, since quantitative research are used to generalize conditions in a certain population, it can also be repeated or replicated in another population, considering that it has the same scientific process, tools, and or framework. So that's it. That's the basic definition and general characteristics of quantitative research. I hope you learned from this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have other questions, you can reach me through my Instagram at the_learning_mama or follow me on my Facebook page, The Learning Mama. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. See you on the next tutorial. Bye!